Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there was a young boy named Timmy, who had a very curious mind and a knack for finding himself in odd situations. His adventurous spirit often led him into trouble, much to the amusement of the villagers. One sunny afternoon, Timmy decided to explore the local market, known for its bustling activity and colorful vendors. As he wandered through the stalls, he spotted a mysterious stand selling a strange new fruit called the goblin berry. The vendor claimed it was magical and could make animals talk. Intrigued, Timmy bought a handful of the berries and decided to test them out. Timmy's first stop was his home, where he had a pet parrot named Polly. He offered Polly a goblin berry, and much to his delight, the parrot began speaking in a voice that sounded eerily similar to Timmy's grumpy neighbor, Mr. Jenkins. Polly squawked, "Get off my lawn!" Timmy burst out laughing at the sight and sound of his parrot mimicking the old man. Eager to see what else the berries could do, Timmy set off to the farm where his friend Sally worked. Sally had a cow named Daisy, who was known for her gentle nature. Timmy gave Daisy a goblin berry, and to his amazement, the cow began to moo in the tune of a popular folk song. Sally and Timmy couldn't stop laughing as they listened to Daisy's melodious moos. Next, Timmy visited the village blacksmith, who had a mischievous cat named Whiskers. He gave Whiskers a goblin berry, and the cat began to meow in perfect English, telling jokes that left Timmy and the blacksmith in stitches. As Timmy continued his journey through the village, he encountered many other animals enjoying the goblin berries, each with their own unique reactions. The town's dog howled in different accents, the pigs danced a jig, and even the local goats attempted to perform magic tricks. By the end of the day, the entire village was in high spirits, entertained by the antics of the talking and performing animals. Timmy's adventure with the goblin berries became the talk of the town, and he was hailed as a hero for bringing so much joy to the village. However, the next day, the effects of the goblin berries wore off, and the animals returned to their usual selves. Timmy learned an important lesson about the fleeting nature of magic, but he was grateful for the unforgettable day of laughter and fun he had shared with the village. From then on, Timmy's adventures continued, but he always remembered the time he made the animals talk and the village dance with delight. The villagers looked forward to seeing what Timmy would get up to next, knowing that life in their small town was never dull with Timmy around.